close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Look who just came to shoot with me. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, you want to kiss me? Say hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a weekend inspired look. I'm gonna use really vibrant color. Now I'm using an aquamarine turquoise color, which is best suited for this weather. Now you could wear this with a white shirt and blue denim, or probably, you know, a black dress, or probably black jumpsuit or anything. It goes really good with any neutral earthy color. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, just for you to know, I have already done my base. I have used my regular foundation by NYX, which is Stay Matte but not flat. I have bronzed my face, my blush is on, my lipstick is on. Now the lipstick that I'm wearing today is a combination of PAC and the Body Shop. I will link it down below. And the only thing which is left is my eyes, and that is what we're gonna do right now. So let's get started. Eyes, I'm gonna use this PAC Ultimate Shadow Box eyeshadow. Now these are really vibrant, bold colors, and I'm gonna use this aquamarine shade over here. Now we are gonna be using this on a lower lash line, so there's not much that is happening on the lid, which is why I call it really simple. So without wasting time, let me show you how to do it. First up, I am gonna take a neutral shade just to create depth and definition on my eyelids, because there's not much that I'm doing on my eyes, you know, the lid bit of it. So I'm taking my NYX palette, and this is the matte transition shade that I've taken. Now guys, if you do not have a brown shade, just pick up your powder, you know, a darker shade powder, that would also work, because we're just sort of defining and contouring the eyes. Nothing much is required for this step. I'm using a fluffy brush and gently sweeping it all across my lid. Now I'm using this only in the socket of my eye, and that's how you should do as well. Now remember, this is just to contour and define, so you're not gonna spend too much time on this. So it's a very quick, easy step. Next, I'm going with the shader brush, and again now with the same shade that I've applied in the socket of my eye, I'm gonna use this on the lower lash line, and I'm just gonna blend this with the shader brush itself. So what I'm gonna do is, again, I'm gonna go with the black color, the black shade in this, and I'm gonna use it on my waterline, and I'm using a small pencil detail brush and slightly use it on my waterline. You can use a black kajal if you want, but I want the smoky effect, so I'm applying a black eyeshadow and going that's it. Now I'm gonna go with a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna pick up the bright bold color, take off the excess, and just swipe it on my lower waterline. I'm doing section by section, and I'm not using too much color because there is a fallout. This is a glitter shade. There is gonna be a little fallout, if you can see. Can you see how pretty that color is? That should be there. That should be it. And on my upper eye, I'm just gonna take the black shade again, and I'm just gonna push it in my upper waterline. And I'm just gonna add a little more in the outer corner. I'm adding the black shade in the outer corner and connecting it with the lower lash line.
Ooh la la. Yes, that's how it should be looking.
I'm quickly gonna go and apply my lashes and I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look. I have applied my lashes, my mascara, and I am back, and this is how I'm gonna spend my Saturday. I don't know what you want to do. I mean, you could wear this. If you're watching this on Monday, you can wear this on the next Saturday. But this is my weekend look, and I'm gonna go roam like this all over. And I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do not forget to like and comment the video and let me know what you want to watch so that I can create it for you. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, you girls, bye bye.